Welcome back to Happy Side Natural Health. If your afternoon looks less like productivity and more like a nap, you're not alone. You need energy, but that jittery caffeine crash? No, thank you. Today we're cutting through the noise to give you lazy energy hacks with herbs, natural remedies that deliver sustained power without the jitters, the crash, or the anxiety. We're talking about true, clean energy boosters you can use after 50 or at any age. This isn't coffee science. This is holistic wellness, simplified and backed by credible research. We'll show you the top 3 herbal remedies used for centuries, how to take them using U.S. standard measurements and metric equivalents, and the single biggest mistake people make when trying to fix low energy. Let's get started. First, let's quickly talk about why we crash. That afternoon slump isn't a personality flaw, it's a biological traffic jam. Caffeine gives you a quick artificial surge by blocking adenosine, the sleep chemical. But when it wears off, that pent-up adenosine hits you like a brick wall. That's the crash. We're aiming for something different, adaptogens. Adaptogens are natural substances, mostly herbs, that help your body adapt to stress and balance your adrenal system. They don't block sleep signals. They help your body produce clean, sustained energy, especially when you're under stress, which is often the source of chronic fatigue after 50. Think of them as a dimmer switch, not an on-off switch. We'll focus on 3 heavy hitters that actually work, supported by clinical studies and historical data. This is how Happy Side Natural Health brings you reliable expertise. Ready for hack number 1? Our first lazy energy hack is the Scandinavian secret I personally love, Rhodiola rosea. This root has been used for centuries in colder climates to combat fatigue and improve mental clarity, perfect when your brain feels lazy. What it does, Rhodiola specifically tackles stress-induced fatigue. It helps regulate the stress hormone, cortisol. Lowering cortisol doesn't just reduce anxiety, it frees up energy your body was using to fight stress, redirecting it to your brain and muscles. Dosage. The most effective dose, as found in published scientific studies, is generally between 200 to 400 milligrams daily. It's usually taken in capsule form, ideally on an empty stomach about 30 minutes before your workout or when you need peak focus. Pro tip: if you take rhodiola later in the evening, it could interfere with your sleep, so try to finish your dosage before 2 p.m. It's particularly useful for those long work days or when you need intense concentration without the typical afternoon slump. It's one of the easiest natural remedies, trusted for its long-standing use in Nordic health traditions, to incorporate into your routine. Moving on to a remedy known for sustained deep energy, ashwagandha. This is a powerhouse herb from Ayurvedic tradition, trusted by practitioners for over 3,000 years. While rhodiola is for the intense sprint, ashwagandha is for the long-distance marathon of life, especially important as we look for energy boosters after 50. What it does, ashwagandha is perhaps the king of adaptogens. It doesn't give you a jolt, it stabilizes your mood and stamina over weeks and months of use. It improves mitochondrial function. That's your cell's tiny energy factories. When your mitochondria are running smoothly, you feel less drag and more consistent, calm power throughout the day. This herb is also fantastic for lowering anxiety, which in itself is a massive energy drain. Dosage: ashwagandha is most commonly taken as a powder or capsule. A typical effective daily dose is 300 to 500 milligrams of a high-quality root extract. Because of its calming properties, many people prefer to take this one in the evening with food to help promote better sleep, which in turn boosts energy the next day. It truly is a lazy hack because it works while you sleep. Our third energy hero is the classic ginseng, specifically Panax ginseng, Korean or red ginseng. This one is for when you need reliable, immediate support without the crash of a triple-shot espresso. What it does: ginseng works a little faster than the other two. Research shows it supports the release of nitric oxide, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to your brain and muscles. Think of it as opening up the energy highways in your body. This makes it particularly effective for fighting physical exhaustion and enhancing cognitive performance. especially helpful when dealing with memory fog. Dosage. The dosage can vary, but for energy and focus, start with 200 milligrams of a standard extract. If you are using it as a tea, a single 8-ounce cup, 240 milliliters, of tea made with a half teaspoon of powder, 2.5 grams, is a great way to start the day. Because ginseng can be stimulating, just like rhodiola, you want to avoid taking this after early afternoon. This is a perfect natural remedy to replace that first morning cup of coffee if you are trying to cut back. It's a powerful, clean source of energy, and its undeniable science makes it a foundation of natural wellness. Now, here is the single biggest mistake people make when trying these herbal remedies, and it's why many people say, "They didn't work for me." The mistake is expectation and consistency. These aren't like caffeine. You won't feel a sudden, immediate jolt 15 minutes after you take them. That's the whole point. Adaptogens like ashwagandha need consistency to build up in your system and fully regulate your cortisol levels. You may need to take ashwagandha for 4 to 6 weeks before you truly notice the sustained shift in your energy and stress resilience. Rhodiola is faster, but still subtle. The fix, we recommend a cycling strategy. Use one herb, like rhodiola, for a focused month, then switch to a different one, like ashwagandha, for a few months. Cycling prevents your body from becoming too accustomed to one specific remedy and keeps the effects potent. Remember, this is a holistic approach. It's about building foundational health, not chasing a quick high. This is true long-term energy. We share this honest, practical advice because Happy Side Natural Health is committed to providing trustworthy information that genuinely works over time. This is how you take charge of your health naturally and move past that energy debt. So let's quickly review the lazy energy boosters. Rhodiola for sharp focus and stress reduction. Ashwagandha for long-term stamina and calm. Ginseng for immediate physical and cognitive uplift. The key takeaway is consistency and using the correct dosage, prioritizing your U.S. standard measurements for clarity. This is the happy side of natural health. Simple, science-backed, and effective. If you found this video helpful and are ready to ditch the crash and reclaim your energy, please do 2 things. First, let me know in the comments below. Which of these herbs are you going to try first? Second, if you're looking for more natural health solutions that are easy to understand and always focus on proven methods, hit that subscribe button right now and join our community. We have new whiteboard videos coming out every single week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you appreciate Dr. Eric Berg's valuable knowledge like we do, then you'll want to see this. We've compiled a special edition YouTube video focusing on how to prevent cataract surgery and slow down progression. We handpicked the top 5 tips to prevent and reverse cataracts, bringing together expertise from both Dr. Berg and Dr. Ken Berry. You can find the video by clicking on the image on the left.